guys, welcome back to the Resinator. Today is going to be the first video of my Valentine's Day videos. I won't be doing that many of them because I'm not really into Valentine's Day that much. But today we are going to be making this cute heart pot. It's got a lid. That mould actually came from mould and I think it's quite cute. So we're going to do a dirty pour. And I've got some colours here. So we've got hellebore, bee's nest, which go lovely together, and then passionate glitter, which I think has got elements of both colours in there, so I think they will all go together really well. So let's start mixing colours. We're going to go with the hellebore first. Give it a mix and scrape the stick. And then next is the bee's nest. And then last is our passionate glitter. So first of all, like I usually do, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of this glitter around there so I get a little bit in the rim of the pot. And then we're just going to start adding our colours to the cup, one by one. Until we're out of colour. Right, so let's clean this mat before I move everything over. And now I'm just going to pour. Okay, so I'll see you back for the demold. These are finished curing now, so let's get them out. Now it looks like the colours have merged. Oh, not so much at the front though. I thought it was just going to be this orangey colour. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. And around the sides here you can still see the hellebore. That's lush. Very fiery. And then the lid. That has stayed quite orange. Look at that, that's really cool. I really like that. I think if I did it again, I would maybe make the lid with just the hellebore. But I do like it. I love how it's come out. So just to recap, that was bee's nest, hellebore and passionate glitter. And all of those are available from Create and Bloom. That's really cool. So if you like what I'm doing, please pop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a couple of little clicks, it's free, and it really helps me grow the channel. Links to everything that I've used in this project will be down in the description, along with the links to my Amazon wishlist and to buy me coffee. There's also buttons down below to join the channel as a member and the super thanks button. And everything that comes in from all of those goes straight back into the channel. Thank you to all my members and subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you. You guys are great. And all that's left to say is thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.